A bishop. So what are we studying here? So we are going to study who can be a good. Then must be. These are the standards of being a bishop. Number one, you are blameless, which means without spot. So that's what it means. So if you have areas of your life you need to work on, usiingie hapa. That's why I'm saying me, if I knew earlier, I would not have begun ministry. You see what I was not taught. And you are hearing me and you are going to start ministry. And yet these are the standards of being a senior pastor, being an elder, being an overseer. And we don't read this book. Now, the problem is we are trying to arrange. We are not fighting. We are arranging. Get the difference. This is the scripture. So what are we dealing with here? What is this word? Okay, then must be, and I've told you blameless from Abraham's point of, go study it. The husband of one. So if you have more than one, you can't enter here. Ati umeoa wa mama watano. Legally you have married, don't think you and a member of parliament. Husband of one wife. I want you to see the conditions. Now look at this second word. What's the meaning of the word temperate? Safe. Good. Able to make decisions wisely, not angered. Sober minded. Do not become I've not given you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. You need to have a mind. You need to have wisdom. Look at the next one. Of good. Look at the standard of being a senior pastor. Okay, next one. Amupendi watu. You don't like people coming to your house. Listen, don't be married to a pastor if you're not hospitable. It's not something you can run away from. So you women that are trying to change your husbands, you're just an ignorant woman. You hate people, but you're trying to hide in your husband. These are the standards of leadership. Look at the next one. Able to teach. Angalia hii. Now look at the next one. Oh, wait. Not given watu wa pombe. Ati am this denomination, so you know, ati we are allowed to drink kidogo. Iko hapa. Not given to, the word is not, if you push this word and add much, then that religion can mean something. But I used to be very violent. I'm not violent anymore. Not violent. So if you notice you are just a person that does not have, you have anger problems, don't appear here. You know, when I read these conditions, I was already a pastor. I wish I knew this early. Mi ningekimbia. No pastor taught me this. Not greedy. Look at this one. How many times have you seen me giving people money, offering, the whole offering? How many times have you said, there is no greediness to money? If you have given me, these things happen in church. So those of you that are looking for that opportunity to reclaim what you have given the church so that it can look as if we are bad people. You know me, what I do. I have met people, in order to show that I'm not greedy for money, I've met people that I've given to the church. They started speaking, I gave them back. As a sign that we should not go for, we can't be taking each other to court over money. If you have given something and you feel, and I would like to request, please, don't give anything for the work of the kingdom and take it back. This is my advice to you. But because we live in a generation where anyone can comment, like now they will cut that part and they will not go to hear what I was trying to explain. Anyone now can comment anything as long as we have social media. And you know right now, anything to deal with money, my advice to pastors, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Me, I can advise you, work with your hands. But not greedy to money, but what? Gentle. But gentle. Not quarrelsome. You're not trying to quarrel over an issue. Even if something has happened, you look for a way out. Sasa, okay, that thing has happened that you are fighting over. Sasa, what is quarreling going to do? It's going to make it not happen. Not covetous. Now, go back to verse 1. Go back to verse 1. Verse 2 or 1. Verse 2. I want to show you. The answer is right there. What are we dealing with? Okay. Who can be a? That's what we've read. Okay. Let's go for gender. So what are we dealing with? But this one is a husband. Not a wife. Kuna mtu hata hajaelewa. Sister, where did you get your bishop from? What are we dealing with there? Which is a? Okay, imeisha. Your sermon is still not getting it. So gender speaking, it's a male. Because we are dealing with husband. It did not say wife of one husband or husband of one wife. Now you can understand the context where that a woman should be silent in there. I need to explain what that means. I don't have time. It's not that it's not that a woman cannot reveal Jesus. We are dealing with administration matters. And as far as administration is concerned, the woman that was in the whale, it was not administration. It was evangelism. There was no church on ground. So anyone can speak about Jesus. But we are now dealing with administration. My brothers and sisters, understand these things. So during administration, the order of creation must be followed. It is man, God, man, and woman. But we have sunk so low. But if you teach these things, they still don't want to hear. And that's why I'm trying to teach it with all care. I don't want to touch some things because you will not like me. What are we dealing with? He is a... So this is... But you see, we're in a generation where a woman can be someone's husband. You know, a woman is marrying a woman now. So the two of them agree that me, I'm the man in the marriage. So it depends. So even this husband, we have to be very careful. That's why I've used the word male figure.